Welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator, and as you can see, I have been grinding for a little bit, so yeah, alright, let's just grind some honey. Oh, damn, oh, I even got a few of the ones that you have to buy. I got a few gifted bees too, so it's just all dandy. Oh, I'm trying to find, it's just like, oh my gosh, yo, what is this? Roblox, over here. Oh yeah, I already have the moon amulet. Over here, I got the gifted stars, I got everything. Oh my gosh. That's I'm way too overpowered at this game. Maybe I can get another bee in this thing. Maybe it's only a chance because I need to get another thing. Okay. It's over here. Oh, I already own everything over here. What? No, I do. Get the club. My bees! Get him! What the hell? Bro, where's all my bees at? Oh my god. No. No, not my stuff. My bees. They're all passing out. Here we are, boys. I have that equipped. Elite Guard is kind of like a one thing. But what's the top? I want to see. Oh, it's over here. I'm not spending honey for that. We're doing this, we're doing this. Alright, let's keep going. Listen, boys, we need to get a certain bee. I don't know where that certain bee is. We need probably the Cobalt bee or the Crimson bee, or the Festive bee or Tabby bee. I don't know. We need We don't need a gold egg. We need a photon bee. Can we just buy Yeah, I can. What was that? Should I be? Oh, what? I wasn't. I didn't ask. Hey, let's open up this shop. Let me do this. 20,000 honey for that? I mean, 20 million for this? That's what I need, though. Well, if I can grind for that, I can grind for any of these things. Okay, that is way too much. I'm trying. You can give more honey. Oh, they're up there. Frick, I need to get up there. Alright, boys, we're doing this. We're still doing this. Okay, guys, we probably can't do that one today. I'll try off camera. Whenever I can. Alright, come on, boys. We got this. Come on, boys. We got this one in the bag. Come on. Bring in the money. It's gonna take a while for them to get rid of all this honey. Okay, guys, I think that's the end of this video. I'll try on that gummy thing, that sunflower seed later off camera. Oh well.